Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding an inverse function's derivative is easy following these steps. Let's solve for h prime of 4 now. First, we need to recognize that the equation g of h of x equals x means that h and g are inverse functions. This relationship is the key to our solution. Next, we find the value of h of 4 by looking at our table for where g of x equals 4. We see that g of 1 equals 4 here. Finally, use the inverse derivative formula. 1 over g prime of 1 is 1 over 7. Option B is the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing, trust the given values to find your answer correctly.